It is 9:30 now at night. Do you see the air, wind thing flowing? So I see a good accumulation. Back then in the morning, it was all like the road was visible. See now, there's a good thick layer of sleet has accumulated. See near the light. Do you see that cold flurries flying in? And one more thing I want to show. See, with all of this ice, look at this pool. It is a heated pool. You see that water is still heated up. There's no ice formed over that. This is Dallas Irving at 9:35 at night, 24 Jan 2026. Bye bye.